Hello and welcome to today's instructional video. In this tutorial, we will be learning how to factor the quadratic expression x squared plus 11x plus 30. Factoring quadratic expressions can be a helpful skill in algebra and can be used to simplify equations and solve for variables. So, let's get started with factoring x squared plus 11x plus 30. To solve the quadratic equation x squared plus 11x plus 30, we start by factoring the quadratic expression. Our goal in this step is to rewrite x squared plus 11x plus 30 as the product of two binomials. Let's look for two numbers that multiply to 30 and add to 11. To begin, consider the factors of 30, which are 1 times 30, 2 times 15, 3 times 10, and 5 times 6. We need the pair that adds up to 11, which in this case is 5 and 6. So, we can rewrite the expression as x plus 5 times x plus 6. In step 2, we have already rewritten the quadratic expression as x plus 5 times x plus 6. To verify that we factored correctly, let's expand the binomials. To do this, we will use the distributive property. Multiply x by x to get x squared, then x by 6 to get 6x. Next, multiply 5 by x to get 5x. And finally, 5 by 6 to get 30. Adding these together, we have x squared plus 6x plus 5x plus 30. Combine the middle terms, which are 6x and 5x, to get 11x. Therefore, the expression simplifies back to x squared plus 11x plus 30. Confirming our factorization is correct. Since the original quadratic equation equals 0, we set each binomial equal to 0. Thus, we have x plus 5 equals 0 or x plus 6 equals 0. Solving for x in each, we find x equals minus 5 or x equals minus 6. These are the solutions to the quadratic equation x squared plus 11x plus 30 equals 0. Hence, this completes the solution. Thanks for watching. I hope this video has helped.